Welcome to Titan Machinery of Dickinson. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating a 2012 Case SV185. Let's take a closer look at the features on this skid steer. This Case SV185 is equipped with front and rear auxiliary hydraulics, high-flow hydraulics, and a general-purpose bucket, along with a quick coupler and weight kit. This skid steer has 57 horsepower, a hydrostatic transmission, rear stabilizers, and block heater. The cab is enclosed with heating and air conditioning, a suspension seat, and hand and foot controls, along with rollover protection and work lights. We have multiple units available with similar equipped features. Thank you for viewing this Case SV185. If you're interested in the skid steer and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-227-5309. To view other available new and used equipment, check out Dickinson.titanmachinery.com.